not want to smoke it. I'm running a hotel.
No, you gotta do the one. Did you come down yet? I'm waiting for you.
I've been waiting for you for 30 minutes now.
It is not been an hour.
That car one's not going to work because they didn't take anybody's license plate down. So the people that answer their phone, they'll be like, how do they know that that's my car?
Well, you should just say,
There's no way to match the room with the vehicle.
say, is this room? Is
Dang,
this
dude,
room?
did you do something? Who just farted?
Not me.
I did.
I didn't poo. It smells like straight dookie.
I farted.
James, get out, dude. Get out of here. I wish my speakers are higher, dude. My phone sucks. This is sorry, hey. You got about speakers, right?
Yeah.
You should just. Are you taking a picture?
No.
You should just say, is this room 2 or whatever, and say, we inform you that we're having problems. You come down right away. And you've been got 2 minutes now. Where are you?
Your credit card is not gone through yet.
What about the advance credit card?
You pay with the credit card.
What about the kid cash?
No, shit, so no.